Hi there, it's Chris here with another Chainpals tutorial, and this is an exciting one, as in this video you're going to learn how to easily purchase Chainpals tokens in just a few clicks. So let's take a look. Okay, here we are on the Chainpals user dashboard. Over on the left sidebar you'll find the tab named Token Dashboard. Once clicked, you'll be provided with an overview of the Chainpals tokens you currently possess. Now, because this video is about purchasing the token, we're going to click the Buy Token button. At the top of the screen, you will notice the 5 token sale phases of the Chainpals token, and depending on which is currently highlighted, it will inform you of the price you'll be purchasing it at. Right now, you can see we're in the pre-sale phase 1, allowing you to buy at just 30 cents per token. Now, go ahead and decide on how many tokens you'd like to purchase. In this case, we're going to opt for 10,000. Then, choose which BEP20 currency token you'd like to purchase them in. For this demo, we're going to choose USDT. Accept the terms, and then go ahead and click the Approve button. Oh, and by the way, something to keep in mind is when you purchase your tokens, you won't receive the entire tokens immediately. Instead, you'll be able to redeem just 10% at the moment of purchase, with the remaining tokens being accessible in an additional 9 stages over the course of 270 days or 9 months. Alright, now that you've approved the token purchase, both on the platform and in your digital wallet, you'll need to now click to complete the purchase both on the platform, then once again in your digital wallet, before being greeted with a successful token purchase pop-up. And you'll be able to view this in your token transaction history. Also, from here, you can view the vesting schedule for our token. Now that your purchase has been successful, let me show you how you can redeem your token and have them ready and waiting to use. Now, once your tokens are ready to redeem, which will probably be after 30 days of your first purchase, but you can look this up inside your vesting schedule, you'll be sent an email and notification. Click on the bell icon next to your username to view the latest notifications. As you'll see, we have 1,000 Chainpals tokens unlocked and ready to redeem. Follow the instructions by hitting the Click Here button, where you'll then be transferred to the Redeem Token page. Choose how many tokens you wish to redeem. For this demo, we'll redeem all 1,000 tokens that we have available. Next, you're going to just need to sign the transaction by your digital wallet. Once complete, you'll be given a successful redemption pop-up box. Hit OK, and on the redeem tokens below, you'll see the 1,000 Chainpals tokens that we've just redeemed. And that's it. You can now make purchases and enjoy the privileges of lower gas fees. So, what are you waiting for? Get involved and grab your Chainpals tokens now to get the best value.